Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is going on? Welcome back to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. The podcast all about motivating and inspiring you towards living your life on a higher level. This is your 1 minute of motivation for today, and here is your quote. Hakuna Matata, teaching kids to run away from their problems since 1994. The Lion King taught us that we should all just forget our worries from each day, but what will they achieve? Anyone can run away. It's really easy. But facing problems and working through them, now that's what makes you strong. The difficult times, the challenges are all sent to you to not destroy you, but promote you and increase that incredible strength that you already have.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.